Getting the best recording settings in OBS Studio for your laptop doesn't have to be complicated. Let's break it down step by step to ensure smooth and high-quality recordings, even with modest hardware. Start with the general settings. Set your base canvas resolution to your laptop's native screen resolution. Set your FPS to 30 for smoother recordings. 60 FPS might strain your system. Go to Output Settings and switch to Advanced Mode. Use MP4 for compatibility or MKV for safer recordings. With an Intel GPU, stick to the X26 for software encoder. For rate control, choose CBR at 2500 to 3500 kbp. Set keyframe interval to 2 seconds and CPU usage preset to very fast or faster to avoid strain. Under Advanced Settings, set process priority to above normal or normal. Use NV12 for color format, 601 or 709 for color space, and partial for color range. For audio, set sample rate to 44.1 kHz, channels to stereo. With these settings, you're ready to record smoothly. Test and tweak as needed. Happy recording!